The keto conundrum, to bun or not to bun. Picture this. You're out with friends, the aroma of sizzling food fills the air, and everyone's excited to dig in. The laughter, the clinking of glasses, the vibrant atmosphere, it's all perfect. But you're staring at the menu, your heart sinking faster than a dropped croissant in a swimming pool. The options seem endless, yet none seem to fit your keto lifestyle. That juicy burger? Off limits thanks to the carb-laden bun. The pasta? Forget it. Even the salads are drenched in sugary dressings. Suddenly the joy of eating out feels more like a dietary death sentence. The excitement fades, replaced by a sense of frustration and isolation. We've all been there, haven't we? That moment of dread when you realize sticking to your keto goals at a restaurant requires the navigational skills of Magellan and the willpower of a saint. It's a challenge, but not an insurmountable one. But fear not, fellow keto warriors. There is hope and a way to enjoy your dining experience without compromising your diet. Eating out on keto doesn't have to be a recipe for disaster. With a bit of planning and some savvy choices, you can navigate any menu with confidence. With a few simple strategies, you can enjoy delicious, satisfying meals while staying true to your low-carb lifestyle. Start by looking for protein-rich options like grilled meats, fish, and eggs. These are often the safest bets. Get ready to ditch the diet despair and embrace the joy of dining out keto style. Ask for modifications. Most restaurants are happy to accommodate. Swap out fries for a side salad, or ask for your burger without the bun. Don't be afraid to customize your order. Communication is key. Let your server know about your dietary needs. They can often suggest keto-friendly options or modifications that you might not have considered, and don't forget to check the menu ahead of time. Many restaurants post their menus online so you can plan your meal before you even arrive. This can take a lot of the stress out of the situation. Remember, dining out is about more than just the food. It's about the experience, the company, and the joy of sharing a meal with others. So relax, enjoy, and savor the moment. With these tips in mind, you can confidently navigate any dining situation and stay true to your keto lifestyle. Bon appetit! Navigating the minefield of menu options. Let's face it, restaurant menus can feel like a minefield for keto dieters. The sheer number of choices can be overwhelming, and it's easy to feel lost. Just when you think you've spotted a safe option, bam! Hidden breading, surprise sauces, and sneaky carbs seem to lurk around every corner. It's like playing a game of hide-and-seek with your diet. But don't despair. With a little menu sleuthing, you can dodge those dietary dangers and unearth keto-friendly gems. It's all about knowing what to look for and being prepared. Look for keywords like grilled, baked, roasted, or steamed. These are usually good indicators of low-carb cooking methods. These terms often mean the food is prepared without added sugars or flours. Avoid anything described as breaded, crispy, battered, or glazed. These are often code words for carb-heavy coatings. These dishes might taste delicious, but they can quickly derail your keto goals. And don't be afraid to ask your server about ingredients or preparation methods. Servers can often provide valuable insights into how dishes are made and suggest modifications. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to outsmarting the menu. By being informed and asking the right questions, you can enjoy dining out without compromising your keto lifestyle. So, next time you're faced with a daunting menu, remember these tips and navigate with confidence. Decoding the nutritional maze. Don't be shy about requesting the nutritional information for the menu. Yes, it might make you feel like a meticulous accountant momentarily, but trust us, it's worth it. This information is your secret weapon in the battle against hidden carbs and sugary sauces. Armed with this knowledge, you can confidently calculate your macros and make informed choices. Remember, knowledge is power. And in the realm of keto dining, it's the power to indulge guilt-free. Embrace the power of substitution. One of the greatest weapons in your keto dining arsenal is the power of substitution. Most restaurants are happy to accommodate dietary requests, so don't be afraid to get creative. Ask for your burger bunless or nestled in a lettuce wrap. Swap out fries for a side of steamed veggies or a fresh salad. Hold the croutons. Ditch the sugary cocktail for a refreshing glass of water with lemon or a keto-friendly beverage. Remember, you are the master of your own culinary destiny. Don't be afraid to speak up and make choices that align with your keto goals. Section 5. Hidden sugars. The silent keto killers. In the world of keto, hidden sugars are the stealthy saboteurs that can derail your progress without you even realizing it. Ah, sugar, the sweet saboteur of many a keto dream. It's not just the obvious culprits like desserts and candies, sugar can sneak into your diet in the most unexpected ways. It hides in the most unsuspecting places, lurking in sauces, dressings, and even seemingly innocent condiments. These hidden sugars can add up quickly, throwing off your carb count and stalling your progress. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to become a sugar detective extraordinaire. This means scrutinizing every label, questioning every ingredient, and being vigilant about what goes into your body. Scan the menu with the eye of a hawk, searching for potential sugar bombs. Look for keywords like syrup, honey, glucose, and fructose, which are all forms of sugar. Ask your server about ingredients and preparation methods. Don't be shy, it's your health on the line. Inquire if the dish contains any added sugars or sweeteners. Opt for dressings on the side so you can control the amount. This simple step can save you from consuming hidden sugars that are often packed into pre-made dressings, and when in doubt, remember that a little bit of healthy fat like olive oil and vinegar goes a long way in flavoring your meal. These options not only enhance the taste but also keep your keto goals on track. So stay vigilant, stay informed, and keep those hidden sugars at bay. Section 6. Become best friends with your server. Servers are your allies in the quest for keto-friendly dining. They know the menu inside and out, and they can be a wealth of information about ingredients, preparation methods, and hidden carbs. Don't be afraid to be upfront about your dietary needs and ask for their recommendations. Most servers are happy to help you navigate the menu and find dishes that fit your keto lifestyle. Section 7. Keto-friendly cuisine options. Some cuisines naturally lend themselves to keto-friendly dining. Embrace ethnic restaurants that offer flavorful dishes packed with healthy fats and protein while keeping the carbs low. Think sizzling fajitas without the tortillas, savory curries with cauliflower rice or fresh sashimi platters. Exploring different cuisines is not only delicious but can also make your keto journey more exciting. Section 8. Alcohol and keto, a balancing act. Let's be real, a night out with friends often involves a little social lubrication. But fear not, keto warriors, you can still enjoy a drink or two without derailing your progress. The key is to choose wisely. Opt for low-carb options like dry wines, spirits with sugar-free mixers, or light beers. Avoid sugary cocktails, sweet wines, and high-carb beers like the plague. And of course, moderation is key. Section 9. Don't be afraid to be that keto person. In a world obsessed with carbs, being keto can sometimes feel like swimming against the tide. But hold your head high, keto warrior, and own your choices. Don't be afraid to ask for what you need, whether it's a bunless burger or a side of veggies instead of fries. Remember, you're not being difficult, you're prioritizing your health. And who knows, you might even inspire someone else to embrace a healthier lifestyle. Section 10. Savor the experience guilt-free. Eating out on keto isn't about deprivation. It's about making conscious choices that support your health and well-being. So relax, savor the flavors, enjoy the company of your friends and family, and celebrate your commitment to a healthier lifestyle. Remember, every keto-friendly meal is a victory, a testament to your willpower and dedication. So go ahead, raise a glass, of sugar-free bubbly of course, and toast to your keto success. Section 11. Ready to conquer keto. Dining? Eating out on keto doesn't have to be a daunting experience. Armed with these tips and tricks, you can navigate restaurant menus like a pro, make healthy choices, and enjoy delicious meals without derailing your progress. Remember, knowledge is power, preparation is key, and you've got this. So go forth, keto warrior, and conquer the culinary world, one delicious low-carb meal at a time.